Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about the often overlooked component of your car's cooling system, the radiator cap. We'll discuss the symptoms of a bad radiator cap and share some maintenance tips to keep your car running smoothly. Let's dive in. Symptoms of a bad radiator cap: coolant leaks. One of the most common signs of a bad radiator cap is coolant leaks around the cap or reservoir. Overheating. A faulty radiator cap can cause your engine to overheat due to a loss of pressure in the cooling system. Low coolant levels. If you notice that your coolant levels are consistently low, it could be a sign that the radiator cap is not sealing properly. Steam or hissing sounds. When you hear steam or hissing sounds coming from the radiator area, it may indicate a faulty radiator cap releasing pressure. Discolored coolant. Contaminated coolant or rust-colored residue on the radiator cap can signal internal corrosion. Maintenance tips. Regular inspection. Check the radiator cap for any signs of wear, corrosion, or damage. Replace it if necessary. Pressure test. Have a professional perform a pressure test on your cooling system to ensure that the radiator cap is maintaining the correct pressure. Coolant flush. Regularly flush and replace the coolant in your car to prevent corrosion and buildup that can affect the radiator cap. Proper installation. Always make sure the radiator cap is securely fastened and seated correctly to maintain pressure in the cooling system. Replace periodically. It's recommended to replace the radiator cap every few years as part of routine maintenance. Taking care of your car's cooling system, including the radiator cap, is essential for preventing costly repairs and ensuring your vehicle runs smoothly. By being aware of the symptoms of a bad radiator cap and following these maintenance tips, you can keep your car in top condition. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more automotive tips and tricks. See you in the next video.